we're given a quadratic, x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0, and we need to find what x is. The answer is going to be of the form x plus a and x plus b, okay? And I'll explain why. If we lay out our grid, let me just quickly do this. Right, so we've laid out our grid. We've got x plus a, and we've got x plus b. X times x is x squared. A times x is ax. X times b is going to be bx. And then b times a is going to be ab, or ba. When we write this all down, we're going to end up with x squared plus ax plus bx plus ab equals 0. As you can see, we can factor, these both are just x terms, so we can factorise from that an x. So we're going to do x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay? Now that we've got that, we can look back at our original example. So we've got minus 5 and minus 6. Okay? So that means that AB is going to be our minus 6 and A plus B is going to be our minus 5. So let's write that down. AB equals minus 6. A plus B equals, let's double check, minus 5. Okay? So we put that back. A plus B equals minus 5. So we've got two options here, figuring out A and B. We could try and figure out two numbers that add to make minus 5, okay? But as you can probably guess, there's a whole load of numbers that we could use to try and do that. However, if we think about the numbers that we can use to multiply to make to minus 6, we've got a far easier job, okay? So we're going to have a go at doing that, and we basically just need to write out the factors of minus 6. So I'm going to have a go at doing that. Let's draw another grid. At the top we have minus 6. We could do minus 1 and 6. We could do minus 6. Actually, I'll write that on the other side. We could do 1 and minus 6. We could have minus 2 and 3. Or we could have 2 and minus 3. Okay? So these are our options, our factors of minus 6. So we know we've got, and we obviously can't divide 6 by 4 or 5. So we've got everything that we need here. Now we need to think about which two numbers are going to add to give us minus 5. Okay? For the eagle-eyed among you, you've already figured out, but we're just going to list it out so it's nice and clear. So if we do minus 1 plus 6, we get 5. If we do 1 minus 6, we'll get minus 5, which is the one we're going for. If I'll just list the others out so we're happy. Minus 2 plus 3 would just be 1, and then 2 minus 3 would be minus 1. So what we're going for A and B in this case is 1 and minus 6. So we've said we had our x plus A and x plus b from before, if you remember. And I'm going to say that A is 1 and B is minus 6. Now, this actually isn't our final answer, because remember, we need to find it when it equals 0. So x plus 1 and x minus 6 is going to fill the brackets. But our final answer is actually x equals minus 1 or x equals 6. And this or is key, because remember, x can't both be minus 1 and 6 at the same time. It's either minus 1 or 6 that can give us our answer of 0. Okay? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.